Hey guys, today I will show you how to block websites on ZTE Blade A55. Firstly, go into Google Play Store, tap on search bar, and then install basically any antivirus. I know that it works in AVG and Avast, so I'll just install AVG maybe. Yeah, not Avast. AVG. Now once the installation has succeeded, you can just open the app. Okay, open. Now I'll just skip everything what's here. I don't want any offers, skip for now. Continue with ads. Okay, I think that was the last pop-up. Okay, now we can go into Explore, Web Shield, switch on, open settings, got it. Scroll down, AVG antivirus, use AVG antivirus, allow. Now tap on allow and allow. Now go into block or allow a website, blocked, add website, type in the URL. Okay, add the website, and now if I would like to try visit the website, it should give me a warning that it is blocked. And it worked, so that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.